हेलो गाइस, सो आज हम जा रहे हैं चिकन खाने, स्टीम चिकन खाने. सो इट इज़ आवर home to Chicken Corner blog. So watch it and like it, subscribe it, and please guys share it so that you will know about me and मैं और भी ज़्यादा वीडियोस बनाऊँ अपनी फ़िटनेस पे, अपनी फ़िटनेस जर्नी पे, और आप सबके साथ अपनी जर्नी शेयर कर सकूँ. And you will be also the part of my journey. So yeah, here we go. So what's up guys, it's Pankaj the Fitness Master. Today I'm gonna eat steamed chicken because steamed chicken has a lot of protein and it's clean protein, you know. You are getting clean protein and it's very good for your muscles when you do workout. And if you do not get proper protein, your muscle got break and you will get loose and your muscle will not grow. So here we go. Today we're gonna eat steamed chicken. I will show you and आप सबको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं कि fitness is very important and you have to eat as well so that you can maintain your muscles. And if you're not non-vegetarian, so you can eat such as broccoli, cucumber, cabbage, avocado, chia seeds, so that it will help you to reduce weight. And I'm here in this shop, Chicken Corner. So let's see. Here's my blog. So let's continue. Hello guys, and I need your all support so that you can support me. I'll update my good stuff here so that you will get to know about me, my fitness, and yeah, be fit. So guys, here's the chicken, and you can see that it's all steamed. We have some a little bit of spicy thing so that it will get tasty. So we're gonna eat. Let's see it. Let's see how it tastes. Tastes really good, man. Seriously.